Yeah, we get this active brake assist function limited issue, so we do another calibration for our customer. You can see that the progress is 60% now. Okay, so this calibration must be carried on the road. %. Okay, you see it's 100% now. Yeah, the calibration is no more active, so we will park on the roadside. Yeah, we will park on the roadside. Yeah, I see the error is gone, so the message over here just now also gone. And then we go to this assist. Okay, active brake assist, it's working. Okay, so let's try how to 打波这个能关掉，这边不可以油灯嘞，是吧 ？Okay, let's go to the next one. To make U-turn, actually we can test it this way. Hey, see, the red triangle is coming out. That means it's working. Okay, thank you. Problem solved.